Summary of results from Bion Institute testing on the effectiveness of the atom cell in altering water state. Water is highly responsive to even the weakest or subtlest energy influences, resulting in measurable changes to its structure. The spring water naturally produced by the Earth is often referred to as structured water, due to its organised hexagonal state. However, water from our taps undergoes treatment that vibrationally alters its structure. It is possible to restore water to its natural structure through exposure to certain environmental factors, which can repair or heal the water. The geometries of the crystalline components in the atom cell have been shown to have such an effect on water's structure. The Bion Institute is an independent research organisation focused on studying the physical effects of ultra-weak emissions and electromagnetic radiation, factors that cannot be detected by conventional testing methods. Through years of research, they have developed specialised techniques for detecting the impact of these emissions using the human organism and water as mediums. Changes can be observed through measurable alterations, and certification is issued when statistically significant results can be proven, ensuring the reliability and scientific verification of products and services. The water research team at the Bion Institute was tasked with testing a water solution exposed to the atom cell versus a solution that had not been exposed. The team used two primary methods for testing. 1. Physiochemical testing, measuring oxidation reduction potential, ORP, pH and conductivity. 2. UV spectroscopy, which measures the levels of light absorption. Experiment 1. The Bion team observed a noticeable trend in ORP and a statistically significant difference in pH between the exposed and control solutions, confirming that the atom cell's subtle emissions influence the water. In UV spectroscopy measurements, they noted a significant difference in light absorption between the exposed solution and the control, with the exposed solution showing higher absorption. Experiment 2. For this test, a higher volume of solution was left exposed to the atom cell for a longer time. The team again saw statistically significant differences in pH between the exposed and the control solutions, with the pH increasing over time. They also observed a significant variance in conductivity between the two solutions. Experiment 3. In this phase, the focus was on UV absorption of a solution left exposed to the atom cell for 7 days. The team observed higher absorption in the exposed solution, indicating that the subtle field of the atom cell triggers dynamic processes over time. Additionally, the volume of the solution was found to influence the results. Experiment 4. The team repeated the UV absorption test, this time using a nearly 7 times smaller volume of solution. They hypothesized that a smaller volume would intensify the imprinting effect of the atom cell's subtle field. The results showed a trend similar to the one observed in Experiment 2, with the exposed solution demonstrating higher UV absorption. Conclusion. The scientific testing conducted by the Bion Institute in 4 separate experiments clearly demonstrates a statistically significant difference between the water exposed to the atom cell and the control solutions. These results validate that the atom cell's subtle field emissions have a measurable, objective impact on water, beyond any placebo or random fluctuation. Based on the statistically significant differences observed between the exposed and control solutions, we conclude that the atom cell meets the necessary criteria to receive certification for altered water state based on subtle field treatment. Certificate number 0409. You can view the full dataset of this research on the Atom Lab research page.